Hare Krishna students, today we are going to learn how we can make words, means Sanskrit word definitely, how we can make Sanskrit words by joining the Sanskrit letters. Now let's see. Everyone know that with Vyanjan Varna, every time we are getting one, at least Saravana, definitely we are getting, at least O we are getting, like K. O is there, K, O, K. But when we are telling Po, E, P, so we are getting Po में E की मात्रा. We are not writing these two letters together. Okay, Po, E, P. Say Po, E, P. Toa, Ta. We are not writing these two letters together. A will be A की मात्रा. E will be E की मात्रा. And it will join with before letter. That means before which Vyanjan Varna we are getting, with that Vyanjan Varna it will add. Po, E, P. Toa, Ta. Mo, O. What it will be? Only Mo. Because O not having any chinha. That's why Mo, O, Mo. Ho, Oho. See, only Ho Visarga we are getting. Ho, Oho. P, Po, I, P, To, Ta. Pita, Mo, O, Mo. Pita, Mo. Ho, Oho. Pita, Moho. See, Pita, Moho. Next one also as same as like this. Po, I, P. Let's see. Po, I, P. To, Ta. Pita. Mo, Mo. Pita, Mo. Ho, I. बड़ी की मात्रा. Ho, I. Pita, Mohi. You know, grandmother, Pita, Mohi. Okay. See next one. Next one only O. Next one only O. But it will not join with any Vyanjan Varna. Why? Because this Saravarna is alone here. We are not getting any Vyanjan Varna before this Saravarna. That's why it will be alone. So O, I am writing O. Now next see. Dha, Yo. Then I am getting A. Why I am not getting A here? How we can join? Yes, we can join like this also. These two Vyanjan Varna also we can join with Saravarna. How? These two Vyanjan Varna will add together. Then A ki matra will give. When I am getting one Saravarna, that means that letter will be finished. If I am not getting any Saravarna, this Vyanjan Varna will add together. Now see, these two Vyanjan Varna I will add together. Dha and Ya. Then A ki matra. Adhya. Po, Po. Adhya, Po. Ko, Koho. Adhyapakah. That means male teacher. Adhyapakah. Next one as same as like this. Adhya. Po, I, P. Adhyapi. Ko, Aka. Adhyapika. Next one also same. Po, Po. To, Ihi. For Ihi I am getting that Ikar and Visarga. Patihi. Now next one. Po, Po. Now next see here. To, not. And in between this we are not getting any Saravarna. That means these two Vyanjan Varna will be together. So to, not together. Patana, then bari ki matra. So patani, that means wife. Patihi means husband and patni means wife. Now see, no or no. No or no. Then do, oho. Oho. O will add with this and Visarga will get. Do, oho, doho. Nadah. That means, you know, Nod, that river, masculine gender river. Nadi, no on no. Do, no on no. Let's say no on no. Do bari ki matra. It will be kar matra will be. We will not write e. We will write e ki matra. Do e di. Nadi. This is also river, but female river. You are telling now. Normoda Nod, in Bengali Normoda Nod and Ganga Nodi, like this. Okay, by name only we have to understand this is masculine gender or feminine gender. Actually, that what are not having any gender, but by seeing the these rules, you know the rules, we have to understand this is masculine or feminine. No, the this visarga, for this visarga we are telling it is masculine gender, and for dirghi ki matra, if it is a ki matra or dirghi ki matra, bari ki matra, then in Bengali dirghi kar and in Sanskrit e. So e ki matra, then it will be feminine gender. So nadi. Okay, so you can do, please practice in your home.